How to recover deleted videos on YouTube. If any day you are a YouTube user and you would like to recover your deleted videos on YouTube but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very YouTube application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the YouTube application by scrolling left or right, or going to the search icon on your mobile device and then finding YouTube. Now, after you find the very YouTube application, you have to tap on YouTube like this. After you tap on YouTube like this, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to your profile like icon, and after you go to your profile like icon, you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the option of the help and feedback, which is found here. And you have to tap on the option of the help and feedback. After you tap on the option of the help and feedback, now it will lead to you to the next interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of send the feedback. Now after you tap on the option of send the feedback, now here you can see the interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of get started and then go to the option of allow one-time access. Now here you can just mention what problem you are facing, that you would like to recover your deleted videos on YouTube, and you can send it. You can also mention your issue by just picking up your issue and then sending it, and after the developer of the YouTube finds it within 24 hours, your problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.